First look at Miui 13.5 launcher and how you can install this launcher on your device. Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video. And MIUI 13.5 launcher has been released for global MIUI devices. Now do note, this is not going to run on your Poco devices and the Redmi K20 Pro because they come with Poco launcher. So any device coming with Poco launcher out of the box, you my dear friends are unfortunately out of luck. So let us go ahead and press and hold on the empty space and here and go into the settings. If you go into your set default screen, you will notice that the UI here is a bit different in the sense that your previews now are a bit bigger. Then going back into settings and more, herein you will notice another new option of animation speed. So you can choose between relaxed, balanced and fast. Right now we are using the fast animation speed and let us see how that looks. Now we can now switch over to the other option of your animation speed and let us choose the relaxed one and see how this one looks like, to see if you notice any difference. Now me personally, I do not notice any difference, but if you do notice any difference in the animation speed, do let me know via comments below. Next up, if you tap on widgets, again you get your widgets. You do not get your app vault widgets, which you can add by pressing and holding on the application vault, but we do have a workaround for that on your home screen, and the video for that can be found in the description of this video. Going back into settings and more, your other options here include your application drawer, or do you want the one without the application drawer? So that option is still present over here. Then you have your system navigation. Do you want gestures or do you want your buttons? Then you have toggles for all the different options which you see on your screen right now, like filling the cell with uninstalled apps. You can of course customize your icon size using the slider over there. What is your home screen grid size you want, 4 by 6 or 5 by 6? Then you have a toggle for your global icon animations. Items in your recents, you want vertical arrangement or horizontal arrangement, memory status, blur, app previews, and all the other options are still present. You can of course change your wallpaper as well by going into the wallpapers section. Now another thing which I would like to mention is that on certain devices, if you go into your app drawer and go into settings, herein you have the option of opening your keyboard as soon as you open the application drawer, and also search within applications. Now I'm not sure why that option is missing on the Xiaomi Mi 11X, but that option is present on certain devices with MIUI 13.5 launcher as well. And let me give you a small demo of how that feature works. So here it is. This here is the Pixel to Excel, which right now is running Pixel Experience ROM. If I open my application drawer, you will notice nothing happens. However, if I tap on the three dot menu on the top right and say always show keyboard, now when I open my app drawer next, it is automatically going to open the keyboard. So that is something which Xiaomi is trying to implement with the latest MIUI 13.5 launcher. And I think I also saw a toggle for in-app search. Again, all these features were added to Android with Android 12, and it is good to see Xiaomi trying to implement and add these features to MIUI 13.5 launcher as well. Let us see how we can install this MIUI 13.5 launcher on our device. So this here is the Mi 11X running MIUI 13.0.6.0 based on Android 12. Let us go into the settings, and as you can see, I have no option for animations. We can also go into the settings section, and then we will go into apps, manage apps, three dot menu on the top right, and we can select show all apps, and herein let us search for launcher and we can check out the version. So as you can see, the version is 4.25. now how do you update to the latest MIUI 13.5 launcher? APK is linked in the description description of the video, download it on your device, open the file manager application, go into APKs, here it is, launcher release 4.38, select this, and then we are going to say update the application. And at this point the application is being updated. If you get a message about some warning, wait for 10 seconds, check mark and say I understand the risks, and then you can go ahead and open the application in case you want to. But we can go back to our home screen, and now let us go back into the settings for the launcher. Here it is, animation speed is here. We can go back into the settings app, go into apps, manage apps. Herein let us search for launcher and check out the version which we have. So now we have 4.38, which is MIUI 13.5 launcher. And in case you do not like it, you can always select uninstall updates over here to go back to the version of MIUI launcher which you had on your device. And there it is, peeps. That was our first look of MIUI 13.5 launcher, and we also showed you how to install this launcher on your device. And that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares, and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.